This video will explain how to customize components for a system rather than using the defaults. We'll use the default cycle created in video 3 as our starting point. To simply edit the default components, once the basic system parameters have been set from the new cycle wizard, right-click on the component you'd like to edit and choose Edit Component. In this example, I'll modify the system condenser and edit the air inlet temperature. The number and type of tabs will vary between component and component type. In general, however, every component will include a description tab, which provides a definition of the component, and one or more properties tabs. You can learn more about each component by reviewing the help file. In addition to just modifying the default components, you can also use other component models. In this example, we'll change the compressor model. Again, right-click on the component, but this time click on Choose Component as opposed to Edit Component. For this example, I'm going to select the 10 coefficient database compressor model. I now need to tell the program where the component model file is located. Hit Browse and identify the proper file. For this particular compressor, I can select a number of available models. Using the filters, I can narrow down my selection. In addition to editing or selecting a new component, you can also specify pipe parameters between components. If, for example, we'd like to include properties of our suction line, click on the evaporator and select Insert Pipe after component. Alternatively, we could have selected the compressor and selected Insert Pipe before component. Using the same general procedure as for the other components, we can edit the desired properties as appropriate for your system. Before running the system, make sure that your system properties are correct, including the refrigerant and the cycle convergence criteria. You should now be able to run your system with your custom components.